learn about identity and inverse of rational numbers. Identity means recognition. Often in mathematics, the identity of numbers gets changed because of different operations on it. Like adding 2 with 5 changes the value of 5 to 7. Similarly, adding 2 by 3 in rational number 5 by 3 changes its value to 7 by 3. Identities of numbers do not change in some special cases. Like in all rational numbers, 0 is the only number which when added to any number gives an answer as the same number it is added to. The identity of rational numbers is not changed. We say that 0 is additive identity for rational numbers. In brief, for rational number p by q plus 0 is equal to 0 plus p by q is equal to p by q. For example, the answer of 2 by 3 plus 0 or 0 plus 2 by 3 is 2 by 3 only. The answer of minus 15 by 4 plus 0 or 0 plus minus 15 by 4 is minus 15 by 4 only. Similarly, in all rational numbers, 1 is the only number which if multiplied to any rational number gives an answer as same rational number only. The identity of that rational number does not change. We say that 1 is multiplicative identity for rational numbers. In brief, for a rational number p by q multiplied by 1 is equal to 1 multiplied by p by q is equal to p by q. For example, answer of 2 by 3 multiplied by 1 or 1 multiplied by 2 by 3 is 2 by 3 only. Answer of minus 15 by 4 multiplied by 1 or 1 multiplied by minus 15 by 4 is minus 15 by 4. Inverse means opposite. Let's understand its importance in mathematics. Let's take a rational number 3 by 7. If we add a rational number minus 3 by 7 to it, then we get an answer as 0. We can say that adding 3 by 7 and minus 3 by 7 makes the value of each other 0. Therefore, these are negative or additive inverse of each other. To summarize, if addition of any two numbers is 0, then these two numbers are additive inverse of each other. Like here, rational number minus p by q is additive inverse of rational number p by q. Similarly, rational number p by q is additive inverse of minus p by q. Negative or additive inverse of a rational number is obtained by multiplying minus 1 means changing the sign of rational number. Now consider the rational number 10 by 11. Can you tell me a rational number which when multiplied with this 10 by 11 gives as answer 1? Think. Absolutely correct. Such a number is 11 by 10. If multiplication of a rational number a by b with another rational number c by d is 1, then we can say that rational numbers a by b and c by d are multiplicative inverse or reciprocal of each other.